Not every college planner is created equal, and we all know this, and we've just created a brand new one. I'm going to walk you through it. It comes as an entire kit. You get a pen, you get a binder, you get 3 different inserts, you get page tabs, you get washi tape, you get a highlighter, pretty much everything. So let's take a look at what's in it. Okay, let's get into it. This is the binder that you're going to get with the college kit, which has lots of space for stickers, tabs, everything in between. You get a year at a glance with the college planner, as well as some space for birthdays. Then you get a fall semester class schedule, as well as fall semester classes for all of your information. After each semester, you get notes, and we've put in fall, spring, and summer, which I am just going to flip through here with, again, lots of notes in between, which of course we all love. And then we have project and assignment planner pages, which allow you to just kind of plan out your assignments and your tasks, as well as the requirements and everything else. Then we have an assignment tracker, which allows you to track all of those assignments and the grades that you got. And then you get a planner that is fully dated from August to December, just to give you a little taste of our annual planner to see if you like it. And then at the end, we've decided to include a meal planner insert as well, which allows you to plan your meals and make sure you stay nice and healthy. Okay, that's it. That's the college kit.